Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Keaira. So today we're doing a New Year's Eve, New Year's Day look, whichever one you want to wear it to, but this look turned out so fire. Okay, I added some gold rhinestones, white eyeliner, a little bit of shimmer under the eye. Like, the details in this look, like, it was real simple, but it's just fire. Okay, so if you want to see how I got this look, keep watching. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. Okay, and keep watching so you can see how I got this look so you can do it too. Okay, and I will see you in my next one. Starting with my face, I'm using the NYX Plump Right Back Primer, and I'm mixing in a little bit of the e.l.f. Grip Primer. Is it just me, or does it take forever to use a full bottle of primer? Maybe I don't use that much, or I don't do my makeup as much as I thought I did. But I've had the NYX primer for over a year, I'm pretty sure, and it's like I haven't even made a dent in it. So you know what? I'm not buying no more primers. For face, I'm using the Fenty Eaze Drop Blurr Stick. I finally bought it, and I actually love it. It's really good. But I do also love the original liquid Fenty Eaze Drop. It's really good. I'm in the shade 16 with it. I got 15 with the stick. Like, the shade match is good, but I think I still should have got 16. I don't know. But I get a 10 in the summer, so it may be okay. Yeah, it is blurring. It's easy to blend. I actually love it. It's giving skin. Yeah. For bronzer, it is the e.l.f. 16 Camo Concealer. So I actually put too much, and I didn't really realize it until it was time for me to blend it out. Y'all will see that, like, I put entirely too much because it's so pigmented, but I don't really use it like that. So I guess I just didn't know. But for concealer, I'm using my go-tos, the Milani Conceal Perfect, plus the e.l.f. 16 Arrow Wear. Like, those are just my go-tos. I told y'all that I wear it with everything, and it never fails me. I need y'all to try it out, that combo, and come back and tell me how much you love it, okay? I promise. It's gonna get the job done, all right? Next, yeah, like I said, blending it out. It it was a lot, but luckily I'm not new to this. I'm true to this, so we know how to blend and get it done. And it won't look like a big old mess. The Juvia's Place blush is, oh my goodness, it's just entirely too pigmented. Like, I know there's no such thing as something being too pigmented, but yes, it is. But that blush is really good. And you know what? They actually sent me that blush. If y'all been following me for since I started all this, Juvia's Place is like my go-to brand. That's all I use. I finally got to work with them this year. And it's crazy because I haven't been doing anything this year. I haven't really been putting any looks out. So for them to reach out to me, I was like, oh, okay, so let me get up off my butt and get back to work. Yeah, but I did a Black Friday campaign with them, and I was so excited. It turned out really cute. Hopefully I get to work with them again next year because they really topped off the year for me. So I'm just going back to blend out that bronzer. I always go back and forth between my brushes just to get that seamless blend. Because you see how pigmented that brush is. It's like really going all over your face. But, if you're a pro, you know how to get it done. All right? And the brushes I'm using, like the brushes with the black handle on them, all of those are from Scratch by Kat. She has some really good brushes. She had sent me a pack. And the face brushes in that thing is immaculate. The way they blend out, yeah, you definitely need some of those. And I'm just going back in just to blend that blush just a little bit more after I did my concealer. And that's how you get that seamless blend. Just go back and forth between your brushes, and it's going to work every time. You see that? Yeah. And that's how you get it done. And your face just going to look like a filter, basically. That's the whole goal, okay? You walk around looking like a filter. And plus the skincare. I think I want to do a skincare routine for y'all too, since I haven't done one yet. For powder, I'm using the One Size powder. So I'm still not crazy about this powder, but since I bought it and it costed like $30-something, we're going to use the whole bottle. Like, I'm not about another thing of setting powder until I'm done with this one, okay? But this powder does get the job done, so I'm not mad at it. And it does control the wrinkles in my forehead, that I will say. because I get oily in my forehead first, and then it don't be a mess, but yeah. So for powder bronzer, I'm using the Color Rain bronzers. If you haven't tried them yet, they're really good and pigmented. I'm using the shade Caramel Delight, and I only use her powder when I want to have like a real bronzy look, and that bronzer gets it done for me. And I'm just going back over with my all over face powder. Yeah, the one from L'Oreal. I'm just using it just to blend everything else. And I don't wear blush in the wintertime, so I'm just using this NYX bronzer. It has a little bit of shimmer in it just to give me a little bit of glow. And they don't sell this anymore. I actually looked on Amazon and I didn't even see it on there. So the Milani Baked Bronzer is like a good alternative for that. Highlighter is from Scratch by Kat. I heard girls don't wear highlighter no more. I don't know when we stopped doing it, but yeah, I'm going to forever put highlighter on. That's just me, okay? Okay, so let's get into this eyeshadow look. I'm using the Juvia's Place chocolate palette, and I only use that palette. And the pigments I used is from somewhere else, so you will get to that later on in the video. But yeah, so I'm just really placing this shadow on the outer corner of my eye. I didn't want to bring it all the way over. I did a little bit, but not really. I really just wanted to focus it on the outer corner of my eye. So I used like this chestnut brown shade, and then I took a really dark brown that's in there and just placed it right in the crease on the outer corner. Blended it a little bit. I want it to be really, really deep. So I added it's about 2 really dark shades in the palette. So I just mixed both of those together and placed it in my crease. And just like I do with my face, going back and forth between my brushes, I do the same thing with my eyeshadow. I take each brush all over again just to blend it out, and you get that seamless blend. That's how you do it, okay? For lid, I'm using the NYX Glitter Glue, of course, because we're going to use pigments, and I'm doing my little fake cut crease method. Like, if you would cut your crease enough, you would know how to do this. Just take your brush and just pat it around your lid, and it's like you have a cut crease without even doing the hard work, all right? The pigment I'm using is from J. LaRue. It's in the shade Butter Pecan. Now, I don't know if she still sells pigments anymore. I honestly don't know, because I don't see her promoting them anymore, but these are just some that I have, and yeah, we're still using them, because they're still bomb. For the inner corner, I'm using the shade White Gold. Y'all know that's real popular. Like, every makeup girly has that. Like, it hits every time. And then I'm just going back in to blend out my outer corner, of course. I got to do that. Whatever I do with the crease, I got to bring it down to the bottom. Yeah. The white eyeliner is from Morphe. I haven't used the white eyeliner in a minute, but with this look, it really just tied it all together. It made it so much better than what it already was. Like, it gave it a little extra something. Okay, it's going to out really cute. And I'm just smudging out my waterline. And the only color I took was the the deep brown shade that I used. That's it. I didn't want to do nothing else extra. I think that one shade was enough. For mascara, I'm using it's from Essence. I'm not sure which one it is, but if you use Essence mascaras, it's the one that's it's a black bottle, but it has pink or peach over it or something. I don't know. Either way, those mascaras are really good, okay? Like, if you need an affordable mascara, definitely check out Essence. And so for the little extra that I used, I put some gold rhinestones in my crease. Like, you can't really see them, but I see them and I know they're there, and they just made the look even more cuter, okay? Like, this look is really giving glam to the fullest, okay? This is definitely a holiday look, birthdays, anniversary. This that look you do, okay? When you just want to be seen and you want to be that girl, all right? For lashes, you know what? I think these lashes are from Lash 7. I'm not really sure, because I always throw my lash boxes away, and I have like a whole lash container that I just put all of them in. So I don't know the names to anything. I'm so sorry. Oh yeah, so I did add a little bit of that white gold pigment, like at the bottom of my waterline, just in the inner corner a little bit. Again, I just wanted to be extra today, and I ain't mad at it because it turned out so cute. Lip liner, what I'm always using, the NYX eye pencils in the shade medium brown. So I definitely want to develop a new nude lipstick combo for 2024. I hadn't had the same lip combo for I don't know how long, and I need a new one real bad. And I added the e.l.f. concealer just to, I don't know why I did that extra. I think I wanted it to be lighter, but it really didn't do it. I don't know. And lastly, the Juvia's Place lip gloss. It turned out so cute. And this is the finished look. I really hope y'all enjoyed this. I hope y'all have a happy new year. And I will see y'all in 2024 with some more looks, okay? We coming hard.